when does the law override? Oh no. When does the weather override the law? Okay. There's got to be a breaking point where it's like they just can't prosecute people because the weather just doesn't permit that kind of activity against other people. I mean, crises like Katrina or I don't know, earthquakes that happen. They have to set the legal proceedings to the side because it's just an insurmountable event that's overwhelming a civilization so much that trying to enforce the law just isn't really possible. But what about those minor, like more questionable type of gray area type of climatic events? It's what comes close to disrupting the legal system on a climatic level. See, it's just for my situation. It's just unbearably hot. Like it's deadly hot, and yet I'm forced to stick around to wait on a court date for July because I don't know any other way to address this legal complaint. I don't know what my options are. It seems like it's either show up to court or get a bench warrant placed against me. Show up to the courthouse in Idaho City on the date that they set the complaint for with the pre-trial, or get a bench warrant which can affect me anywhere in the United States, and every state has a legal obligation to hold me in jail while they decide if they want to extradite me or not. And I believe in Idaho it's 20 days. If the other state, if I went to Washington, they might be 20 days, might be more, might be less. But every state has that extraditable, like rule that they follow. So every time I get harassed by cops, and I probably get harassed by cops, it's been seemingly once a week. They'll check my record to see if I got a bench warrant for this obscurity charge. Then every time a cop harasses me, that's like that could be an instant 20 days in jail if I'm in like another state or whatever, while they decide if they want to extradite me for it. And it would just keep getting worse and worse. My car would get impounded, and that charge adds up. I'm getting close to living without my car. And then I won't really care. It'll be like, all right, if you want to extradite me, whatever. Just, I hope that you bring my stuff with me at least. But in my car, it feels like I should be trying to settle these court issues, but if the costs get to be so much where I lose my car, then I really won't care after that. But once again, weather. Especially with weather, I wouldn't stick around if I was without a car. I would definitely be gone. But it's just there's just a lot of activity. There's a lot of cops searching people out, and it seems like we're all under house arrest. If you're outside of a building at night, cops will question why. question you directly why, and then identify you and all that stuff. But at what point does the weather, or climate put a halt to that? There's factors in climate. When climate gets disruptive, then human society gets disrupted as well, particularly the legal system.